All right, the next component is backward number word sequence. This is a little trickier for the kids, and this is where I see they're struggling the most. They need to know how to count backwards in order to subtract, and that is our issue. A lot of kids, the whole class can count backwards from 10 to 0. And the whole class can count backwards from 20 to 0. But once it gets higher than that, they get very confused and they start to forget the pattern of counting. So I typically review the pattern of counting with them many, many times a day. How, 9 and 39 are the same. 39 just has a 3 in front of it. It's in the 30s family. But before 39 comes 38. Just like before 9 comes 8. So if you're asking your child to count backwards and they're in the 40s and they're going 49, 48, 47 and they stop, I usually ask them, okay, you're at 47. What comes before 7? And they'll say 6. And I'll say, okay, what comes before 47? And that helps them realize, oh, it's 46. And then usually they can keep going. So backward number is the exact same as forward number, except instead of number after, we ask what comes before. And I usually start by calling on students and just saying, hey, count backwards from 17 until I say stop. Count backwards from 24 until I say stop. And I just let them go. And it's the same thing as number before or counting forwards. We want them to cross into the decades so that we're seeing that they really understand the pattern of counting. So for this video, you can do counting backwards anytime, so I'm not going to show that in this video, but I am going to do number before, just like I did number after. So I'm going to show a number, say what the number is, and then ask what comes before, and then I'm going to pause for about 5 seconds, and then I'm going to give the answer so that they can check themselves while they're watching this. But they shouldn't be waiting for me to give the answer. They should be giving the answer before I give it. All right, this is the number 24. What comes before 24? Good, 23. And also a lot of the times you're going to see the kids going this way or this way, because sometimes I point like, before means in front of, like somebody stands before you in line, somebody stands in front of you in line. So sometimes they use their hands to kind of remember that. But they do need to know the difference between before and after. So what comes before 24? 23. Good. This is 17. What comes before 17? 16. Good. This is the number 20. What comes before 20? 19. Good job. This is the number 11. What comes before 11? 10. Nice job. This is the number 14. What comes before 14? 13. Good job. This is the number 21. What comes before 21? 20. Good job. This is the number 30. What comes before 30? 29. Good. What number is this? 53. Good. What comes before 53? 52. Good job. This is the number 70. What comes before 70? 69. Good job. Forgot that one myself. This is the number 88. What comes before 88? 87. Good job. This is the number 41. What comes before 41? 40. Good. And this is the number 96. What comes before 96? 95. Nice job. So we just run through those really quick. You don't have to use these specific numbers if you would rather do it with your child instead of having them watch the video. You can do any number between 1 and 100. That is what they need to know going into second grade. They need to be able to go backwards from 100 to 1 and know any number before, and go forwards from 1 to 100 and know any number after. Okay, so the next video I'm going to do number ID.